What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Sabby. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode. Welcome to my channel, Self Mastery. Today's episode is how to make a woman regret leaving you or regret losing you. Guys, if you're going through this situation right now, just listen in because there's a lot of good information I'll be sharing. Stay tuned until the very end of this video. Let's get started. So if you just have been in the situation, or if you just left the situation where, you know, your girl left you, maybe she left you for another guy, or maybe, you know, she just doesn't want to be with you anymore for whatever reason, the best way to make her regret losing you is to become the best version of yourself. Massive success is the best revenge, guys. That is the best revenge. And the reason you're gonna do that is not to get her back, guys. Definitely don't ever take a girl that left you. Don't ever take her back. That's one thing I want to say. Always remember that, guys, because if right now you're watching this video to get this girl back into your life, click off my video because this video is not for you. I'm being honest. Don't ever take a girl back, especially if she decides to leave you or leave you for someone else. Especially if she cheats on you, don't ever take a cheater back. If you do, one, she's already lost respect for you, and she'll never get that respect back for you again. So at that point, you're just shooting yourself in the foot. So don't ever take a cheater back. If you do, you're a big beta male, like a big beta cuck simp. That's what you are if you ever take a cheater back, guys. But one thing I do want to say is that you're doing this. You're growing. You're becoming the best version of yourself. You're elevating for yourself. You're not doing it for her. Yeah, she's gonna regret losing you when she sees your lifestyle changes, when she sees you making more money, when she sees you know, making moves, right? Maybe you get a better career. Maybe you start a business, a booming business, right? You start traveling. You update your wardrobe, right? You have new friends now, better friends now. You're going out more. You're you know, enjoying your life. All of that, guys. She's gonna see all of that. And she's going to regret that. Of course she's going to regret that. Why not? Why wouldn't she regret that? Because now, guess what? You're living life like you want to live. And so one thing I want to say, guys, as a man, you should always be on your purpose. That should be your number one priority, no matter where you are in life. Because this is what happens to a lot of men out here is they get into a relationship, they start dating, or they, you know, it's a little fling, something going on, and they forget about themselves. They forget about their life, right? It's all about the woman now. It's all about, oh my God, you know, I gotta please her. It's like you put her on a pedestal. And guys, I don't care how good this woman looks. I don't care how big her tits are. I don't care how big her ass is, guys. Like, none of that matters, because at the end of the day, guys, you're living your life for you. You should be living your life for your purpose. What is your purpose? What are you here to accomplish? What are you here to do? What value are you here to provide to the marketplace or to the world or to humanity? What are you here to do, guys? You got to be doing that. If you're not doing that, then you're wasting your life. You're literally just living like, you know, meaninglessly. And that's what you're doing. And that's why women leave too, because women, you know, women are hypergamous by nature. They want the best possible option. They're always, even if it's subconsciously, scouting out the best possible option, guys. Even if they're with a man, right? And next thing you know, they're introduced to another man who's, you know, maybe higher up in the social status or social hierarchy or making more money. They're definitely going to be attracted to him, very attracted to him, sexually attracted to him as well, you know? And that's just the truth of it, guys. This is a red pill you're going to have to swallow. You know, and that's how women are. Women are hypergamous by nature. But let me tell you something, guys. You can beat that. And the way you beat that is you get on your grind. You get on your grind and you start working hard for your life, right? That's why I always tell you, never prioritize a woman. Always prioritize your goals. Always prioritize your work. Always prioritize, you know, your health, your gym. Everything that you want to do, you should prioritize that. Don't ever compromise your core values, your life purpose for any woman, guys, because let me tell you something. I've lived on this life, like what, earth? I've been on this earth for I'm 28 right now. 28 years I've been here. And let me tell you one thing that I've learned in 28 years. Women come and go. Women come and go, guys. I've been through it, right? I've been in situations where I thought, oh, this is going to last a long time. It didn't last a long time, you know? So let me tell you something, guys. Women come and go, and that's why you always have to be on your purpose. You got to be that kind of man where a woman comes to you, right? She wants to be a part of your world. A lot of men out here, especially some of y'all, man, y'all be dropping everything you have going on for the woman, right? You just want to let go of everything, all your objectives, all your, dreams. And it's like, oh, let me just devote my life to this woman now just because she's giving you some pussy. Literally. And it's like, girls don't want that. Biologically, women are supposed to chase men. That's how it's always been since the days of the tribal days, That's how it's always been. Men were always on their purpose. Women were the one that were chasing men. They wanted to get married to men. Right now, it's like men out here are like begging women for marriages. It's just like complete opposite of what we have going on here, guys. So one thing I want to say is, number one, yes, get on your grind. Get on your grind. If you've been slacking, get on your grind. And whatever that is, whether it's your job, your career, if you don't like your job, switch jobs, right? Or if you don't have a career, figure out your career path. That's why you need 6 months to a year, if not longer, to yourself, so you can figure out your life, guys. Figure out your life to know what you want to do. If you want to start a business and then grind. I'm talking about like not 8-hour days. I'm talking about 12-hour days, 14-hour days, 16-hour days. You're just focused on your purpose. And that means you got to let go of friends. You got to let go of, going out to the bars, going out to the clubs, chasing women. Let go of all of that. Forget all of that, because you got to get your money right. You got to get on your purpose, right? If your money's not right, if you don't have 50K to 100K saved up, you shouldn't even be focused on women right now, guys. You got to get on your purpose. Number 2, semen retention, guys. I always talk about this on my channel, but get on NoFap, get on semen retention. Stop watching porn, stop busting nuts. You're losing your manhood, you're losing your life force. Women are losing attraction to you. I've hella videos on my channel, you can check them out. I'm not gonna go too much into it right now. Number 3, guys, hit the gym, right? If you're fat, overweight, your belly's hanging over your waistline, your pants, you can't even see your Johnson down there because your belly's so big. Guys, hit the gym, eat healthy, stop eating these Cheetos, Doritos, Twinkies, whatever you guys got going on out here. Start watching your calories, start putting some right foods in your body, start taking supplements, start, getting proper rest, start, drinking water, doing all these things, because that's what's going to make you look more attractive. Number 4, get your wardrobe right, guys. I know some of y'all still wearing sneakers, t-shirt, and jeans. You ain't no Mark Zuckerberg out here. I don't care how much money you got. You can elevate your wardrobe, right? Start wearing button downs. Start, tucking in your shirt. Start wearing some ties. Start buying some nice dress shoes. Guys, start buying some cologne, some nice cologne, watches, sunglasses, some authentic, nice collective pieces that really help you stand out, guys. You got to look good. You out here want your girl to look good, but you looking like you about to go to Walmart, The hell? So work on your wardrobe, guys. Start looking good. Start smelling good, right? Get your oral hygiene right. You can't be smelling, dookie breath all the time, or your balls stink all the time. Like, start taking care of your hygiene, guys. Start looking good. Then after you've done the work, and I'm not saying the work is only like, a month long. No, guys, you're going to have to be in a hiatus for a year or more, right? Separate yourself from the rest. If you want to be the best version of yourself, this is a lifestyle. This is not like a 90-day challenge. This ain't none of that. This is a lifelong journey, guys. You got to become the best version of yourself. Stop out, being out here simping for these girls. Girls are not your life purpose. If a girl is your top priority as a man, you're not a man, right? And click off my video right now. Get off my channel. If girls are your top priority right now, you're not a man, guys. As a man, your mission, what are you here to give to the world? What imprint, what legacy are you trying to leave behind? That's your purpose, guys, always, right? Never, ever compromise your mission for a woman. I don't care if you have to leave that woman because you got to fulfill your mission, guys. You fulfill that mission. That's what you're here to do. That's what you're here to do. And so, I'm going to say it one more time, guys. The way you're going to make her regret losing you is to become the best version of yourself. Whatever, your greatest potential is, to be that. That's how you become the best version of yourself. And yeah, she's gonna regret losing you. Once she sees you posting, your lifestyle on Instagram, you're going out now, you're eating at some, nice fancy restaurants because you can afford it now, right? You can afford that lifestyle now. Now maybe you upgraded your car. You were maybe driving, a Corolla, now you're driving a Benz, or now you got a Beamer, right? A BMW or whatever. Maybe you were, shacked up with some roommates, now you have your own place. Because you've done the work. Now you're making good money. Now you're looking better. You're dressing better, right? Maybe you're taking care of your skin now. You look healthier. Now you can start going out a little bit, right? Once every 2 weeks, a couple of times a month. Now you can start meeting some women, right? And once you start posting your lifestyle on Instagram, guys, guess what? She's gonna see. These women, yeah, when they leave you, they're over you. Yeah, to a degree, they don't really care about you at that time. They might have, Tom, Dick, and Harry on the side they may be fucking with. But I promise you guys, if you go no contact, if you don't really hit her up and you just start focusing on your life, guys, guess what's gonna happen, right? She's gonna check on your page, social media page here and there. From time to time, she's gonna check on it, for sure. That's good. That's what's gonna happen, And even after a year or 2 years, she'll check up on it. And then when she sees, like, damn, like, he blew up, yo. He blew up. He's making 6 figures now? Okay. He's driving a Porsche now. Oh, okay. Yeah, she gonna be sliding them DMs. Yeah, she gonna hop on them DMs. Hey, baby. Or she gonna be like, hey, stranger, thinking of you. You know how it is, guys. Guys, you know how it is. We've all been there. We've all been there, guys. But guess what? You leave her on red, because that's what you do. You're moving on now. Because let me tell you, the greater you become, the best version of yourself, the better version of yourself that you become, because there's no best version. You can always become better and better, guys. You're going to start attracting better quality women, real women that are more submissive, women that are willing to come into your frame, into your lifestyle, that are willing to submit to you, right? Women that want to leave their bullshit behind and come, come to you and listen to your rules and listen to your, way of living and follow your lifestyle, follow your lead. I promise you guys, better you become, the better quality women you're going to attract, for sure, guys, for sure, because that's really what the name of the game is. For real, if you know the game, that's how it goes. So you're not becoming, so yes, women are a byproduct, guys, but that should never be your objective. Your objective is, I gotta become the best I can be. Massive success is the best revenge, guys. That's how you make a woman regret losing you. And you never go back to her. I promise you guys, if you go back to her, you're gonna go through that same bullshit again. Never go back to a woman that ever left you, that decided to be with someone else, that thought you weren't good enough for her. Because even if you do all these things, guys, right? Even if you do all these things, you're still gonna have to prove yourself to her. And that's where you got me fucked up, bro. One last thing I'm gonna say is there's a true story, by the way. Christian Woods, basketball player, maybe you guys heard about this. It went viral a year and a half ago. Basically, this guy, right, was with a girl at the time, and he was waiting to be, drafted by the NBA in 2015. And, that's a big thing, guys, to be drafted by the NBA. But he wasn't drafted that year. He was not drafted that year, and his girlfriend left him. His girlfriend literally broke up with him. I remember he said, he dropped her off at the airport and never ever saw her again. She never hit him up again. And that's sad. That's sad, because that broke him. It hurt him, right? But you know what he did? He fucking grinded. He hustled. He put in the work. And like year and a half ago, he's playing for Houston Rockets now. $41 million contract. You don't think she feels salty? You don't think she regrets losing him? Hell yeah, she does. Oh, hell yeah, she does. Who do you think she's fucking with right now? Hell no, nobody. She probably fucking with someone that making 6 figures, and he making $41 million contract, yo. That's what I tell y'all, man. That's what I tell y'all. I mean, that's a blessing for him. That's a big blessing for him. Huge blessing for him. Not only the NBA deal, but, God letting that woman go out of his life, because that wasn't a real woman. And I mean, I know she definitely regrets that. I'm pretty sure she hopped in those DMs real quick when she saw that, right? And he probably left her on red, guys. And that's what you do. You leave her on red. Because let me tell you something, guys. Women are hypergamous by nature. And how do we beat them? we become hypergamous by nature as well. We become better, we start making more money. Okay, I'm gonna go for a better quality woman then. That's the kind of mindset you guys gotta have. Exactly, right? So that's how you make a woman regret losing you guys or leaving you, especially if she cheated on you. You never take her back, guys. You never take her back, especially if she cheated on you. But that's the video for today, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more content. Take care, peace, much love, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks.